Luxury features, modern floor plans, and brand new communities with lifestyle amenities. That's right, we're talking about building your dream home with new construction. It's the best of both worlds. You can choose the convenience and budget of a move-in ready option, or design your new home from start to finish. You can walk the dirt and choose your lot, select your perfect floor plan, choose exterior and interior finishes, and add all the upgrades you could possibly imagine. The allure of new construction is undeniable. We love it too. You get to be the very first person to live in this pristine home, full of brand new appliances, and the finishes and treatments chosen for your personal style. You won't have to do anything for years. But make no mistake, while walking into a builder sales center may seem like plug and play, you're going to want someone representing your side of the deal. The new build process is fun, but it also comes with its own particular challenges, and it's a big misconception that you don't need a realtor on your side. We want you to love your new home, and we want you to have peace of mind through the entire process, start to finish. Let's talk about what your personal Coastal Luxury Partners agent can do for you when you buy a new construction home. First and foremost, when you buy new construction, the home's builder is considered the seller, and the agent representing the builder is called the builder's agent. I know it can be tempting walking into the sales office and being greeted by an eager and friendly salesperson, but make no mistake, the sales agent actually works for the builder. The key to remember is that the builder's agent will always have the builder's best interest in mind. Our team, working for you, will always have your best interest in mind. It's always a good idea, well, a very good idea, to have your coastal agent accompany you on your very first visit to new construction. Why? Well, the builder, aka the seller, will be responsible for paying your agent's commission, and they will need to know if you have a real estate agent representing you. So bringing your agent to the first visit makes it clear the builder will be paying the commission, and you have an agent on your side. That's right, on your side. It's your agent's job to help you get the most value for your money with the least hassle and frustration. Here's what your agent's going to do as you get started. Key steps that you might miss out on if you stick with the builder's agent, and steps that could save you a lot of money. First, we're going to dig in and negotiate for extras. We want to help you with all those extra perks, amenities, and the upgrades. We can often negotiate with the builder to get you more. Realtors sell over 70% of new construction homes, giving us clout and negotiating power with the builder. Your agent is also going to recommend financing options. The builder will typically have a preferred lender they will try to steer you to, but your agent can help you make sure you're getting the mortgage that works best for you. And more importantly, keep an eye out for the junk fees. We don't want you wasting any money. We are going to make sure you know exactly what you're buying. Builders are not like regular sellers. They're not emotionally attached to the property. They make their decisions based on their bottom line. For example, builders design beautiful home models for new buyers to tour. It's the high-end version of their standard home. Those upgrades have good profit margin for the builder, and when touring the home, your agent will find out exactly what options are standard and what options will cost you extra out of pocket. Next, let's talk about getting ready to move in. Your realtor's job doesn't stop at the initial contract. It's a new home. I don't need a home inspection. No. This is one of the biggest mistakes new homeowners make, and your agent can help you schedule and oversee a home inspection. The number and severity of new home defects can often rival resale home problems. The builder's agent isn't likely going to offer up an inspection, so it's up to you and your real estate agent to find the fine print and make it happen. Now, before we take another step forward, let me say this. The builder's agents are an invaluable resource for learning about your potential new home. All the floor plans, amenities, the upgrades that are available, they know the development and the vibe of the community, and we rely on them every day for background information. We just don't want the builder's agent to be your sole point of contact through the process. At the end of the day, everyone wants to walk away from buying a home, new construction or not, with peace of mind. That's our job. Your real estate agent is your best advocate, and having them in your corner is a big win. You're not going to feel pressured and forced into something, which we see all the time in sales centers. You don't have to feel intimidated to purchase certain upgrades. We can help you with the features that may be less expensive to add to your home after you move in. Purchasing new construction is more complicated, and we have buyer's agents that specialize in the new construction process. They're ready to get to work for you. Your agent is going to get everything in writing. Make sure you know exactly what you're getting, and we will make sure you get it for the best possible price. Who's ready to start house hunting? Remember, don't just pop in and stop by the new home community without us. If you do, you could lose the opportunity to have your own representation. Allow us to protect you through every challenge and help keep an eye on the many details that come with those lengthy, attorney-written, sometimes intimidating purchase agreements that cover all of the line items on a new home purchase. Working for our clients is our passion, and our expertise will help you make the best informed decisions. Thank you for allowing us to be your guide, and we can't wait to celebrate with you on move-in day. We are excited to select and visit the new home communities with you, and we'll be there with you from start to finish. Your agent is even going to be there after move-in day. Sometimes it's difficult to get those things accomplished after you move in, and we can help you wrap up that punch list. When you're ready to make a move here on the Gulf Coast of Florida, give us a call. We have coastal agents here to serve you in Sarasota, Manatee, and Pinellas. Your coastal agent works for you and has the knowledge and expertise and will help save you the money. They're professional negotiators that will help you understand the contract. It's a big win for you, the client, and that's all that matters. Give us a call today. Oh, and before I forget, ask about our $500 coastal buyer rebate. That's $500 that could go towards inspection or closing cost on the purchase of your home. Exceeding your expectations? That's what we do.